Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 12th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe this channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. World Day Against Child Labour is observed every year on.
Answer is 12th June. The United Nations observes 12th June each year as the World Day Against Child Labour to bring attention to the evil practices of child labour across the world. The theme for World Day Against Child Labour 2024 is Let's Act on Our Commitments, End Child Labour. International Labour Organization, ILO, launched this day in 2002 to tackle this global issue against child labour.
Question number 2. Who has taken oath as the new Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
Answer is Chandrababu Naidu. Chandrababu Naidu has taken oath as the new Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh on 12 June 2024. He was served as the Chief Minister from 1995 to 2004 of Andhra Pradesh before its bifurcation. He has been the National President of the Telugu Desam Party, TDP, since 2015. Naidu's political career began in the 1970s with the Indian National Congress.
Question number 3. How many times has Prem Singh Tamang sworn in as Chief Minister of Sikkim?
Answer is second time. On 10 June 2024, Prem Singh Tamang of the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, SKM, was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Sikkim for the second consecutive term. The election to constitute the 11th Sikkim Legislative Assembly was held on 19 April 2024. The Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, SKM, won 31 of the 32 assembly seats. Prem Singh Tamang is serving as the 6th Chief Minister of Sikkim since 2019 and the founder and leader of the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha since 2019.
Question number 4. Who was appointed as the Union Minister for Women and Child Welfare of India?
Answer is Annapurna Devi. BJP leader from Jharkhand, Annapurna Devi has been appointed as the new Women and Child Development Minister as part of the NDA government's third term. She succeeds BJP bigwig Smriti Irani, who was defeated by Congress's KL Sharma from Amethi. Savitri Thakur is the new Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development, according to an official statement.
Question number 5. Who is the oldest minister in the new cabinet of the 18th Lok Sabha?
Answer is Jitan Ram Manjhi. Union Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi assumed charge of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises on 11 January 2024. 79-year-old Hindustani Awam Morcha chief Jitan Ram Manjhi is the oldest minister to be inducted in the 18th Lok Sabha. He has served as the 23rd Chief Minister of Bihar and is the founding president of Hindustani Awam Morcha, HAM.
Question number 6. Who is the youngest minister in the new cabinet of the 18th Lok Sabha?
Answer is Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu. Telugu Desam Party, TDP, MP, Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu has replaced Jyotiraditya Scindia as India's Civil Aviation Minister in the Narendra Modi-led National Democratic Alliance, NDA, government. At 36, the three-time Member of Parliament is the youngest ministers in the NDA 3.0.
Question number 7. How many women are included in Modi Cabinet 2024?
Answer is 7 women. A total of 7 women ministers have got place in the new government led by PM Modi, of which there are 2 cabinet and 5 ministers of state rank. The 2 cabinet ministers include Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Women and Child Development Minister Annapurna Devi. Other state ministers include Shobha Karandlaje, Nimuben Jayantibhai Bambhania, Savitri Thakur, Raksha Nikhil Khadse and Anupriya Patel.
Question number 8. How many former chief ministers are included in the Modi Cabinet 2024?
Answer is 6. This time 6 former chief ministers are included in PM Modi's Cabinet 2024. Of these, 4 former chief ministers are from the Bharatiya Janata Party, while Kumaraswamy represents the Janata Dal Secular and Jitan Ram Manji represents the Hindustani Awam Morcha. From BJP, Shivraj Singh Chauhan; from Madhya Pradesh, Rajnath Singh; from Uttar Pradesh, Manohar Lal Khattar; from Haryana, and Sarbananda Sonowal from Assam are included.
Question number 9. Which port ranked at first in the World Bank's Container Port Performance Index, CPPI, 2023?
Answer is Yangchun Port. According to the World Bank's Container Port Performance Index, CPPI, 2023, Yangchun Port from China ranked at first and Port of Salah from Oman ranked at second. Visakhapatnam Container Terminal Private Limited, VCTPL, a wholly owned subsidiary of JM Baxi Ports and Logistics in Andhra Pradesh, is the only Indian port to be featured into the top 20 rankings. VCTPL has overall secured 19th position in the CPPI rankings.
Question number 10. Who has won the men's singles title at the Elbrun Necker Cup 2024 ATP Challenger?
Answer is Sumit Nagpal. The Indian men's tennis player Sumit Nagpal won the men's singles title at the Elbrun Necker Cup 2024 ATP Challenger Tennis Tournament in Germany. It was the 6th ATP Challenger title for India's top-ranked men's tennis singles player. This win will improve the ATP ranking of Sumit Nagpal, making him eligible for the 2024 Summer Paris Olympics.
Question number 11. Which Grandmaster has won the 2024 Norway Chess title?
Answer is Magnus Carlsen. The 12th edition of the Norway Chess Super Tournament was held from 27th May to 7th June 2024 in Stavanger, Norway. Norwegian Grandmaster Magnus Carlsen, world number 1, won the 2024 Norway Chess title, beating Fabiano Caruana of the United States of America, USA, in the final round. Women's World Champion Zhu Wenjun, from China, won the Women's Norway Chess title, defeating Lei Tingjie, from China.
Question number 12. A.J.T. Johnsingh passed away. He was renowned for his work in which field?
Answer is wildlife conservation. Distinguished Indian wildlife conservationist and biologist, Sir Jawahar Thomas Johnsingh, also known as A.J.T. Johnsingh, passed away in Bengaluru, Karnataka on 7 June 2024. A.J.T. Johnsingh was 78 years old. A.J.T. Johnsingh's pioneering effort in wildlife conservation and ecology brought him many rewards and recognitions. He was awarded India's 4th highest civilian award, Padma Shri.
Question number 13. Who has become first woman helicopter pilot for Indian Navy?
Answer is Anamika Rajiv. Sub-Lieutenant Anamika B. Rajiv became the Indian Navy's first woman helicopter pilot during a passing out parade held in the Naval Air Station INS Rajli at Arakkonam in Ranipet district, Tamil Nadu. Also, Lieutenant Jamyang Tsewang also created history by becoming the first commissioned naval officer coming from Ladakh Union Territory. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.